All right. So Bitcoin, hit both of our take profits. Been kind of grinding around in the zone. I just wanted to, it's respecting all these levels. I just want to wipe it clean and start over. See what we can come up with. So let's do that. Remove everything. Let's cut out to a daily. See what we got. Okay. So let's chart our closest daily fair value gap here. Green, boom, text, one, day, fair value gap. Okay. Look at how this thing is just continuing to follow the 10. Remember, this is a 10 moving average, and this is a 20 on a daily time frame. Ooh, is it a little tiny? That was a little tiny daily fair value gap right there. Huh. We can do that little guy. Right. All right. Little tiny guy. Okay, anyways. All right, we got this daily fair value gap. We pulled into it in one of the previous videos, and it respected it. Let's drop down a little lower, 1 hour. Okay, it looks like we're respecting some hourly levels as well. Remember, this is our tiny little daily right here. Maybe we should just delete it. Go back out. There we go. Maybe this will make it a little better. Settings, 1. Okay. Wonder if that. There you go. It's still really small, but what are you going to do? All right. So we know that's a daily fair value gap. That's a big hourly right there. But this area is interesting because it's that small little daily and an hourly right here. Right? I don't even know if this would show up. It's respected that whole thing. All right, so there's that one, that daily we mapped out. This is another daily right here, right there with an hourly. So that's going to be good support. Here's a bigger hourly. Let's drop it down even more. Yeah, respecting those levels there. So let's do some fibs here. Yeah, we'll do that drop to most recent high. Okay, you see how This area is good support. Yeah. I mean, these levels are being respected, but not usually. I like to see them line up a little bit more, a little better. Sometimes that just means it hasn't done the move that I feel that it wants to do. I mean, when you move things around and you see how now these line up perfectly. Came up, hit there. Look at, see this one and this one? You know, just from moving that. So, yeah, I like this better. Where is that? All right, that's 75, 632, 38. Well, let's see if we can get any projections that get up there, because everything lines up a lot better up there. See if we have like some sort of 5-minute. We have a -2 off of that move. Would be in that zone. I don't I don't know. I don't really like that. Just this looks better. So, $74, 100. Take profit zone. And I would look for this -2 after that. So, is that 75, 4, 65. 75, 4, 65, 13. Okay. All right, so we have projections for take profit on the upside on Bitcoin there. And let me zoom back out to a daily. You know, if we get a significant pullback, I mean, yeah, just be looking for about 70,000. You know, maybe if it pulls back into here and then pushes a lot higher, but I mean, it's holding. It's definitely holding. And I've been saying the whole time, it looks like prices will continue higher. And gave 2 price targets that were achieved already. And that was, I don't know, March 5th. right? March 5th, I gave these profit-taking zones that were already achieved. So, yeah, as long as it's holding this 10 and keeps moving up, right? Now we got some new profit targets for the upside. If you're looking for a low risk entry, I mean, this is incredibly volatile. I mean, this wick just wicked through this huge hourly, but the body held it, right? Wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. And it's holding this 50% of this, right? We just did this little fib projection off of this little move here to swipe, whoever's got their stop losses down here, came down, wicked them out before pushing, and currently the daily candle is holding above this 50%. So our next target on the upside is 74,100. I hope you find this information helpful, and if we'll reevaluate it on a daily basis and see where it can go and what it could do. But it's just grinding up still. So thanks for watching. Happy trading.